After swinging the sledgehammer at this bolt for about 2.5 hours straight, we've given up. We decided to chop it off instead. Decided to throw it outside because it was smoking pretty good. All that polyurethane tastes delicious. It moved. That's a miracle. So there you go, there's the Carnage. I actually had to bore in with the torch from either direction to relieve the pressure on it so I can get it out. And then that's what the new one is supposed to look like in comparison. It's actually a tapered shaft here. And what happens is when you over tighten these things, it sucks it in so tight you'll never get it back out unless you burn it. So don't over tighten these things. Alright, catch you next time.